This is Exponent Laws in 2 minutes.
First is the product law. The product law states that when multiplying powers with the same base, you add the exponent. So when you multiply x to the power of 4 by x to the power of 5, you add the exponents to get x to the power of 9. Next is the quotient law. The quotient law states that when dividing powers with the same base, you subtract the exponent. For example, x to the power of 27 divided by x to the power of 9 becomes x to the power of 18. Next is the power of a power law. When raising a power to another power, you multiply the exponents. For example, x to the power of 2 raised to the power of 6 becomes x to the power of 12. Next is the power of a product law. When raising a product to the power, apply the exponent to each factor inside the brackets. So xy raised to the power of 3 becomes x to the power of 3 times y to the power of 3.
Next is the power of a quotient law. When raising a fraction to the power, apply the exponent to both the numerator and the denominator. An example is x to the power of 3 over y to the power of 7, all raised to the power of 2. This becomes x to the power of 6 over y to the power of 14. Next is negative exponents. A negative exponent means to take the reciprocal using the positive version of the exponent. This means the base flips to the denominator and the exponent becomes positive. For example, x to the power of negative 3 becomes 1 over x to the power of 3. Next is the zero exponent law. Any non-zero base raised to the power of 0 equals 1. No matter what the base is, the result is always 1. For example, 5 to the power of 0 equals 1.
To review, when multiplying powers, add exponents. When dividing powers, subtract exponents. When raising a power to a power, multiply exponents. Negative exponents mean reciprocal, and zero exponents equal 1. Memorize these exponent laws, and exponent questions will be much easier. Save this video if you need a quick review before your next test.